Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's me, Habiba Rashid from South Asia Global TV. The headlines. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has said the foreign investment will come only when investors invest in the country. There is no other way but to bring in foreign investment. A delegation of business personalities met Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, and the business community expressed confidence in the policies of the government under his leadership. The new members of the federal cabinet has been assigned ministerial portfolios. The cabinet division has issued a notification after the approval of the Prime Minister. According to the announcement, Tariq Fasal Chaudhry has been appointed as a Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, Ali Parvez as a Minister of Petroleum, and Hanif Abbasi as a Minister of Railways. It has been recommended to form an assembly and elected democratic government in Islamabad on the model of New Delhi, in which the assembly would elect its own leader, who would be called the mayor. Earthquake tremors has been felt in Sohab district of Balochistan. According to the Seismological Center, the magnitude of the earthquake was recorded at 4.8 and the depth was recorded at 10 kilometers. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif advisors on political affairs Rana Sanaullah said that the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government is preparing an attack to Islamabad day by day. I believe that the interior advisor Parvez Khattak can play an effective role in KPK. DJIT has summoned 25 members of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf against in the case of anti-state propaganda on social media. According to the sources, on March 7, the JIT has summoned 25 members of the PTI, but the barrister Gohar, Rauf Hassan and Shah Farman appeared before the JIT. Acting Chief Justice of the Islamabad High Court Sarfaraz Togar has ordered an inquiry into the letters from Justice Babar Sattar, Private Secretary. Yesterday, on the instruction of Justice Babar Sattar of the Islamabad High Court, a letter was sent to a registrar of the Islamabad High Court stating that there were complaints of staff transferred to the Islamabad High Court accepting bribes from the client. The Lahore High Court has ordered to policy to convert diesel buses into electric buses. Justice Shahid Karim of the Lahore High Court heard a petition on the issues of environmental pollution prevention, in which the relevant authorities appeared in the court. The US agency FBI has deported a Pakistan national from the US, declaring him a security threat. According to the news, the US Federal Bureau of Investigation Department 56-year-old Syed Rizvi from the US on February 25, declaring him a priority national security threat. The OIC rejected US President Donald Trump's plan to expel the Palestine and supported on the reconstruction of Gaza under the Arab Plan. The differences between Elon Musk, CEO of the electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla, member of the US Department of Government Efficiency, and US Secretary of the State Marco Rubio have intensified. 4 boats carrying illegal immigrants have sunk off the coast of Yemen and Africa. The 4 boats sank off the coast of Djibouti and Yemen, according to the International Organization of Migration. And the India Stars batsman Viral Kohli has suffered an injury ahead of the ICC Champions Trophy final against New Zealand. Kohli suffered a minor injury during net practice of the International Cricket Council Academy on Friday ahead of the final. Stay tuned to South Asia Global TV for more details.